One of my U.S. teammates from London joins us. Marquise, thanks for taking time out of your draft prep to join us today. How are you doing?
Doing well.
Good,
How y'all
good.
doing? Y'all look wonderful.
Thank you, so do you.
I appreciate it.
We had 21 Longhorns competing at the 2012 Olympics, and we won 13 total medals. What was it like for you to be a part of our strong Longhorn family in London?
You know, I take a lot of pride in everything that I do, especially being a Longhorn. Wonderful opportunity to represent my country, my school, my church, my family, everything, you know, that was put into it. The people that were pulling for me, the people, you know, who've been there since day one. Just a wonderful time for me.
Yeah, it was awesome. And do you remember our picture that we took in the village?
I definitely remember the picture we took in the village.
I felt like you were my little brother. I was so proud of you.
Oh yeah, you took care of me. You took care of me, had me get my mind right the day before. So
yeah, I'm really proud of you, Keith.
Appreciate it.
Well, Aaron and I will have to figure out if that was my last Olympics. We'll have to wait and see. But will we see Flash Goodwin in any future Olympic Games?
Ah, man, that's a tough question. You know, really, right now I'm just focusing on the whole NFL thing. Yeah. You know, I have a unique opportunity in front of me, you know, being an Olympian and getting the chance to be an NFL player.
Yeah.
And so really just focusing on that and, you know, trying to make the best of the opportunity that I have. So, you know, 4 years is a long time away, but, you know, we never know.
Well, if anybody can do it, Keith, we think you can.
So, Keith, after the Olympics, you jumped right back on the field, which you capped off with a great performance in the Alamo Bowl. Which was your favorite plays in your career?
I'd have to say all the plays that got me in the end zone. You know, whether it be sweeps, running vertical past DBs like you.
Not like him, not quite like him.
You know, whatever got me in the end zone, you know, allow my team to, you know, come out on top.
Awesome.
Good answer, except for me.
Well, both of you guys had some memorable celebrations, let's say, on the football field. Let's take a look at some of them right now. I remember that one. I was celebrating crazy too.
Yeah.
The Marine.
Oh, that was tight.
I think you got in the end zone just as many times as I did.
Uh-oh, Keys is, who's are better, though? Who's are better?
Who's better? I don't know. That's a tough question. I'm a little biased.
And you should be.
I think I might got A-Ross. I don't know.